Hi, I bought one of those JJRC H8D drone, and after just a few tries to use it, it stopped connecting between the remote control and the drone itself. Because when you turn it on, you're supposed to turn it on here and move this lever, and absolutely nothing happens. I searched the web to try to find a solution for this problem. I even wrote to eBay complaining about this drone, and today, by chance, I solved the problem. I just moved this switch with this switch. I changed their places, okay? And I then turn it on. I hold it because if anything goes wrong, it does not fly away. And now I moved this lever. See? It's working. Now you can rest it and make it work as you wish. Okay? That's the solution. Just change the position of these two keys and then remember to hold it, because if anything goes wrong, it does not go flying away, losing the drone, because if it goes out of control. Okay, that's the solution I found, and I hope it will be helpful to anyone else who has this drone. Bye bye.